Hey everyone, welcome to another video. As you can see, look at this stuff. CK6 today. PAA Champagne. It's the first time using this. Yeah, right there on my solar flare brush. Look at that. Lovely and creamy, smooth, very well hydrated. I've put a lot in this and you can still see how nice this is. This is a slightly boozy, creamy, aldehydic scent. It's quite nice. I would say wouldn't say it's feminine. I wouldn't say it was masculine. Sort of down the middle for sense. So with Champagne today by PAA, we're going to be using my Gillette Fat Boy. Setting number 3, which is my favourite setting. It's mild yet it does the job, and it's got a feather blade in there. It'll either be its second or third use, so not too sure. So I hope you're all doing okay and having a good time. Some nice shaves and some enjoying your shaving products and your new ones, because I know you've been having some. I've been watching. So we'll get on with first pass. The first pass, like I said, Gillette Fat Boy. It's a 1960. And setting number 3, it's nice and mild. Yeah, put a good blade in there and it does the job. So you can't really feel the blade on this setting. Certainly not on the first pass, and of course it doesn't, not as much on the others either. Just nice setting for me, I like it. If I've got more than a couple of days growth, I might put it on 4, then down to 3, but this is what I generally leave it. So like I said, I hope you're doing okay, having some good shaves, hopefully enjoying the videos I'm putting out. And I'm literally trying to sort of get to the end of all my soaps, use my soaps once all the time, and then I'll do it again. So as you can see, I'm on like 35 now, and I haven't got through all my soaps yet. I've probably got at least another 10 videos wise that is, so it's a different soap each video. Today I got two days of growth. Gave my skin a rest yesterday. That won't make sense with the videos, but I film my videos in advance just in case I can't do so. So this could be like one Sunday, it could release the following Sunday, you know. It's just to do videos when I can, so I can always got something to upload. This is lovely soap. It's a unisex in its scent. Yeah, unisex in its scent. Very nice, and say very aldehydic. But it's got a creamy sort of vibe to it. Yeah, it's not bad. I say it comes off a little boozy. Like my name would suggest. It does smell a little bit like champagne. Not exactly, but to give you that idea. Certainly with the aldehydes and the top aldehydes in a fragrance will make something smell sort of fizzy. So if you've got something that smells like Coca-Cola and you put it in it, it'll make it smell like fizzy Coca-Cola, for example. But very, very good soap, CK6, but nice and slick. And yeah, good stuff. I do enjoy these old razors. especially this one on this setting, really suits it. So what left my telly on, possibly. Look, that slickness is unreal. It's actually, the slickness is good, but it's a little easier to wipe off the skin as well, so you're not there for ages trying to wipe it off. Good 3 rinses and it's off. And this PAA doesn't sort of go dry in the brush, some soaps do. So when you tend to apply for this second or third pass, it's gone a little dry. You have to add a little more water, but I've not had that with the majority of PAA stuff, so that's why I like them. No messing, everything's creamy and slick, and the soaps sort of lather really quick and easy, and they give you a good amount of soap, you know. Just so you see, CK6, again it's wet, it's storing it upside down, you can see. White tub. So, nice scent. So it's a scent strength, probably 5 out of 10, just about average, just nice. So, get on with my second and final pass. Right, final pass. If you can hear that, just because it's unsetting through doesn't mean it's not cutting. It cuts just perfectly well. But you get next to no blade feel with these fat boys on the lower settings. I will say setting 1 and 2 is a bit too mild. Certainly for my beard right now, you know, I'm going to have a full shave, like 2 pass shave like this. Exactly how I'm doing it now on setting 2, and you feel like, you know, maybe you had a shave 12 hours ago, like a little bit's grown back. So yeah, they're a bit too mild, but number 3 is perfect for me. And you can hear it's definitely cutting. Very nice. So it's a nice relaxing shave today. So what shaves are you lot having lately? I've been watching videos as and where I can. I'm not the most vocal person, so any of you who watch me and wonder if I watch you, I generally will do so. I just know one for comment excuse me, one for commenting that much. But I am normally there in the background and I am watching videos, but as I say, I'm not biggest person on commenting. Unless I think something needs to be commented on. What I feel like it. This soap, I mean, look at this, I can go over and over again in spots there's none there, and it's still nice and slick. It does help when the blade is, or the razor's mild as well. combination of a nice slick soap, a mild razor and a sharp blade. Perfect for me. I like a slick soap, mild razor, sharp blade. Well, I think do it that way, you'll have the protection of the soap if it's nice and slick. The mildness of the razor is not going to give you any irritation, but with the sharper blade it's still going to cut and get you nice and smooth. So win all round. Just makes sense to me. Last thing I want is to have a real nice shave for having to walk around with a sore face like that. We can get to that point without having a sore face for a couple of hours. Why would you? Doesn't make no sense to me. But very nice. Great soap. So, going to wash off. Well, have a wash, face wash with the rest of this beautiful creamy aldehydic lather. Yeah, nice scent. Subtle, well, subtle in between scent, well, and different. So, see you in a minute from post-shave. Very nice. Perfect. Smooth all around. Face is hydrated, but not overly so, just nice. Lovely and smooth. So, aftershave. PAA Champagne. Now for me, PAA aftershaves, they last a long time and smell nice, but they don't often give you, or give me, and I've seen a few people say really quite a lot of burn, and you see your faces go red sort of around the cheeks and cheekbone area. I don't know what that is. Other alcohol things don't do that, but the PAA stuff does, so I don't know what's doing that. It goes away. I always had a bit of moisturiser on anyway, like a balm on top that's got no scent, so you can still smell the alcohol or the aftershave, I'd say. But today, it's next to no burn there, but you wait about 30 seconds and it starts to burn. Oh yeah, a lot of alcohol in that. Just breathe a lot of it in while it's evaporating. Very nice. Smells like a lot of soap, but a lot stronger, of course. It's nice. Nice stuff. Well, surprised that one isn't stinging. It's gonna. I knew it would. It's not stinging as much as it normally is, although I haven't worn this particular one, so maybe it's just certain other ones that burn due to the oils or whatever on my skin, but that one doesn't. So as that one doesn't, I was going to put a little bit of this on, but right now that one is lovely and actually lovely and smooth. It's sandalwood essence, olive oil, aloe vera liquid silk. It's got glycerin, so it'll be the glycerin that's making it lovely and sort of smooth. So I'll leave it there. Anyway, Chocolate Fat Boy, 1960, had a, I don't know if you'll see there, the feather on its second or third use, feather blade. Real nice on that setting, number 3. Lathered up with my PAA Solar Flare brush, probably my favourite if I'm honest. I just like the look of it. And this white knot goes well with the sort of creamy handle, and the butterscotch just looks nice in my opinion, and he has it on the bottom. Soap, of course this is a PAA Champagne, so star of the show is obviously the soap and the aftershave splash. So champagne, CK6 formula, real nice, something a little different, so not masculine but not feminine, so it's just right down the middle. If you like something a little different, it's got like a creamy side to it and a bit sort of a little boozy and a bit floral maybe. Yeah, it's got something like that in it, and definitely a bit of aldehydes in there. Washed off with the remainder of the soap, and then a good splash of champagne. Aftershave. So that's my show for today. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did the show today. That feels fantastic. I will put a bit on later on. I tend to leave this on for the day. Comes to the night, wash it off, and I'll put a bit of this on for overnight. But until then, gonna enjoy the scent. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, it would really help me out. And I'll see you again soon on the next one.